Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So today I'm discussing about the HTML web pages. How can you learn the HTML in free of cost? If you want to also know about the free course, then this is the right video for you, but you have to watch until the last. So in this video I'll discuss about how can you use the HTML and how can you learn the HTML, and I'll talk about everything. So if you want to become a web developer, first of all you have to know the HTML, you have to know the CSS, and you have to know the JavaScript. But if you don't know about the HTML, you cannot learn the CSS, you cannot learn the JavaScript also. So what is HTML? HTML is the hypertext markup language, and you can make amazing structure of your web pages using HTML. So what is CSS? CSS means if you want to give a style in your plain web pages, before you have created a website using HTML, and it will make only the structure, and if you want to give a style, then in that time you have to use CSS, and it will give the amazing looks to your website. If you don't know the knowledge of the CSS, you cannot be a web developer. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript also one of the popular language in this planet. If you don't know the knowledge of the JavaScript, you cannot be a web developer in your life. So that's why you have to learn the JavaScript also. In this video I'll teach you how can you get a free course in the internet. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. The first website is W3 Skills, where you can learn everything. You can learn HTML, you can learn CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and lots of programming language you can learn in this website. But just you need a passion. And if you want to learn in free of cost, it is the one of the best website. I want to recommend the W3 Schools. In my opinion, I think the W3 Skill is one of the best website in this planet, and you can learn everything, and you will get a code editor also, and you can check your HTML codes live, because the code also provided by the W3 Skill, you can use that one to improve your coding skills. And I think if you want the certifications, you can give an exam, and you can get a certificate from the W3 Skills, and this is the one of the most beneficial things for you also, right? All this feature is almost free. You can get everything free. So I want to recommend W3 Schools. This is the one of the best websites to learn your HTML codes and CSS and JavaScript. The another website is launch-html.org, where you can check your code live. Okay, this is also one of the amazing website to learn HTML. Especially this website is for only HTML who are the beginners in HTMLs, and if you want to check your code and you want to improve your HTML codes skills, then this is the right website for you. You can check the htmlcode.org, and I'll give the link in the description also. You can check the link. Okay, learnhtml.org provide every kind of materials. If you want to learn only the basics things, or if you want to learn the advanced things, every kinds of materials it will provide in free of cost. That's why I'm recommending this website to learn HTML. I think you have to also try this website, and if you want to try that one, I'm giving the link in the description. All of these features in extremely free of cost, and if you have a desire to learn HTML, and I think this is the one of the greatest website for you. And if you have a small budget, and if you don't want to spend money, then in that case, I think this is the right website for you. And another website is html.com, and this is also one of the easiest and free website where you can learn HTML. And if you are also beginner in HTML, this is the right website for you. And this website will provide every kind of things who are ready to learn HTML, and I'll give you the link in the description also, but you have to need a passion. In this website you can check the code effects, kind of effects are happening in your website by implementing your new kind of codes. So you have to also give a try in this website. So this website is html.com. I am giving you the description link. There are several kind of websites available in the internet market, such as lynda.com and Codec Academy, where you can get a paid course. Okay, so you can try if you have a big budget also. If you want to take the paid course, then you can use the lynda.com and you can use the Codec Academy, and there are lots paid course available in the market. So I think you should try that one also if you have a big budget. So how long time you have to invest to learn HTML? So if you want to learn HTML, it's depend on you. If you want to become a master HTML, I think it will be enough in maybe 2 weeks, and it depends on you. And if you have the high learning skills, and if you have great desires, and if you have a passion to learn HTML, and it will be very fast also. It depends on you. Okay, just but you don't have to quit. You have to be passionate, and you can learn easily the HTML. Many online HTML website provides you free course. You can try that kind of websites also, and before also I already recommended you many kind of free websites, and you can try that one also. So hoping that you get some idea about the HTML, and if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask in the comment sections. And if you are beginner in the HTML learning, then this video will be very helpful for you. And if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you on another video. Goodbye. See you again.